Like, hold up. Doctor. That was my room when it was clean. I didn't even clean it that well. I just rinsed it around and then
Today I'm going to be playing surfers if my phone does not die.
Wait, you recording?
Yeah.
I'm watching one of my old videos.
Yeah, I'm recording.
What we're gonna have to deal with if we don't do this. So I will get ready with
Someone told me if I put like
We basically had like this thick of the liquid sour spray, and then we put a Skittle in there, and it was like, okay, drink this. Look. I don't think the Zombie Go Boom will be watching this.
Zombie Go Boom is watching this.
Comment us in the comment. 17 views, 1 like. But that was from TJ.
so my high score is 200,000 something.
So I got 15 views from Call of Duty gameplay.
Leland's on his old videos, but they're apparently by... He changed the name to Toontail.
We used to throw the shield up in the air and shoot it with the bullets.
It's gonna take lots of concentration.
Devin, shot me in the shoulder with one of those darts.
Did it stab you?
Yeah.
Were you bleeding?
No. But it pricked me, and it stuck into my skin.
No, this is boring. This will be the end, guys. Sorry, this is a short video. I just don't feel like playing this right now. Comment. You probably won't even like this video. If you do, like, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks.